Hello and welcome to Mortgage Mayhem. I'm your host, Tom Draper. Today we're talking credit scores. Credit scores play a very important part in the mortgage process. It can affect interest rates, mortgage insurance, and the level of ease which you go through underwriting. Credit scores are often referred to as FICO scores and are determined by the Fair Isaac Corporation. Because their algorithm for determining credit scores is of proprietary nature, it is not exactly known how they determine their scores, but they give us 5 pieces of information that they base off their credit score. The 5 criteria that determine our credit score is payment history, the amount we owe, the length of credit history, the types of credit, and then new credit. Payment history makes for 35% of our overall credit scores. Are we paying our bills on time with no recent late pays? Are there any derogatory credit accounts? Do we have any collections? The amount we owe on current debts, loans, and credit card is the second most heavily weighted factor in determining our credit scores. Are we habitually maxing out our credit cards? If we have a $5,000 limit and a $4,999 balance, that has a negative effect on our credit score. So if we have a clean payment history and keep our balances low on our loans, that makes up for 65% of our credit score. The third most important factor when determining our credit score is our length of credit history. Do we have a nice long credit history that we've had for years? The fourth and fifth criteria that determines our credit score is types of credit and new credit or inquiries. So the credit reporting agencies like to see, a variety of credit, a mix of revolving debt, installment, and auto loans, making sure you're paying these on time. And then inquiries and new credit. Have you applied for new types of credit recently? Did you just open up a credit card within the last month or so? And those affect about 20% of your overall credit score. So TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax all draw from the FICO scores. When using credit scores for the loan process, we use the middle score of these 3 credit reporting agencies. So credit scores, while they're not an exact science, if you follow these 5 criteria, your credit should be in great shape. Give me a call if you have any questions, 410-643-2500, or send me an email to tdraper@firsthome.com. Thanks for tuning in and have a great week. Process.